You know, I never used to check my oil. I'd just leave it to service time at the garage. Now I know that's a false economy. Because without oil, your car will grind to a halt. And a low oil level can cause real serious, expensive problems. So here's how to check and top up your oil.
Don't wait until the oil warning light comes on, or MOT and service time. At least once every few weeks, do an oil check. Park your car up safely, and it needs to be on level ground. Then identify the oil dipstick. It's usually red, orange or yellow with a hoop at the end.
First, pull the stick out and wipe the end with a clean, quality kitchen roll, not a piece of tissue where bits might come off. Now you've got a dry dipstick to test your oil.
Types vary, but dipsticks have markings at the end for maximum and minimum oil level. So push your wiped dipstick down as far as it will go. And then pull it out and see where the oil level is on the markers. Well, this oil is dark and needs changing soon, but the levels, as you can see, are pretty low. So, buy a bottle of the oil recommended in your car's handbook or use an online guide. It's important you use the right type of oil, or else your engine performance could suffer and warranties could be invalidated. Now identify the oil filler cap and carefully unscrew it. Try about 50 ml to start with, pouring in carefully using a small funnel. Wait 5 minutes for the oil to settle, then do the dipstick test again.
If the level's still low, repeat with another small amount. But look, mine's reading between the two markers now, which is fine.
It's important not to overfill, as this can cause engine problems. Finally, when the level is just right, remember to twist the oil filler cap on very tightly.
At Gem Motoring Assist, we're here for you no matter what. But taking regular checks on your car may prevent you from having to call for assistance.
Thanks for watching. For award-winning breakdown cover, visit motoringassist.com.